This Connect the Dots drawing video is a sleepy emoji. Get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below, grab your art supplies, and let's draw. So we're drawing a circle from 1 all the way to 16, and you can do that with your marker freehand, or you can get a bowl like I'm going to use here because it's the perfect size for my emoji face. Now starting at A, we're actually going to make an oval all the way to I and around. And I'm going to start here at D and I'm going to work this way because it's easier for me to pull my marker than pushing it around in an awkward position like this. So here we go. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side to make the other I. Now from small a to small b, we're doing a straight line. I like to use my ruler to do that. You don't have to, I just like to have nice straight lines. Now our emoji is tired or sleepy, so we have to make some droopy eyes. So from A to G, you're doing an arc. And now we're going to do the white part of the eye and the pupil all at once, and then finally the highlight of the eye right there. And now because our emoji is really tired, let's draw some bags under his eyes and a couple of lines at his mouth. And that's it! You're ready to color! There are only 4 colors in this picture: light yellow, dark yellow, black, and gray. I used my light yellow for the base color on his face. After we're done his face, don't forget to color in the eyelids. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. After we're done with the base color on the face and the eyelids, I'm going to switch to my Sharpie marker to color in his eyes. You can use a black art marker too. And now we're going to do shadows using my darkest yellow marker. Let's give him some bags under his eyes, because remember, our emoji is really tired. If you like drawing and coloring emojis, I have a whole playlist that you can check out. I'll leave a link in the description below for you. But for now, check out this emoji video on your screen. See you next time!